Think math.
We want to compare one class with the whole school. 5 students in our class are at least 160 tall, against 150 in the school. The school has far more, so is the school the taller group? But our class is 20 people and the school is 1,000. Can you say which runs taller now? The trouble is that a frequency carries the size of the group inside it. How many is a number that simply grows when there are more people? So comparing raw frequencies always hands it to the bigger group. To compare fairly, we have to erase the size of the group. Only a number with the size taken out can be set beside another. The way to erase it is to divide. Divide that class's frequency by the total. 5 out of 20 is 0.25, and 150 out of 1,000 is 0.15. In headcount, the school is 30 times bigger, but in share, our class is ahead. That number is the relative frequency. This number always sits between 0 and 1. Nobody in that class gives 0. Everybody in it gives 1. And since a frequency can never exceed the total, it cannot pass 1. So, a relative frequency is the size of the slice that class takes when the whole is called 1. Multiply by 100 and it turns into familiar language. 0.25 is 25%, and 0.15 is 15%. The figures we see on the news every day. Percent is just a relative frequency read out in hundredths. Not a new idea, only the same number in a different unit. So a relative frequency is a frequency with the group size taken out. Dividing by the total turns how many into what share, and only then can groups of different sizes be set side by side. Next time, why adding all of them together always comes to exactly 1. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.